Hiya, I'm Jasmine at Safe Lock Systems, and this is a video demonstrating the INSYS EloStar Flex ID safe lock. This lock is certified to EN 1300 Class B and is a suitable replacement for key locks or electronic combination locks. Instead of using a code to open the lock, the user holds an RFID card to the reader. It's also possible to use a key fob or wristband, but for the purposes of this demonstration, cards will be used. Operationally, this is similar to using a key and having to carry a physical object, but it offers extremely high security as the RFID, that's radio frequency identification, uses AES encryption to authenticate the card. Here's a demo opening using a card. Firstly, you tap the capacitive touch reader to instruct the reader to search for a valid card, and then the lock's bolt opens if the card has been accepted. So I'll just show you that again. On this particular lock we have to tap the reader to close the lock. So I'll tap it again to instruct it to search for a card, and that's the bolt opening. As an option, cards can be controlled using an app which is available for iOS and Android. A card can be coupled to the app on a user's phone, so that it is not valid to be used until it has been released by the app. Using the built-in NFC technology on smartphones, access can be restricted so that a card can be left near to the safe and is only valid for use when the app has released it. This provides two-factor authentication, as depending on the setup of the smartphone, biometric authentication can also be used to release the card. So here's a demonstration opening using a card in conjunction with the app. So this card has previously gone through a process where I coupled it to the app on my phone. I now can't use this card to open the lock unless I release it each time using the app. So first of all, I'll just prove that this isn't valid by itself. You can see the 3 red flashes means that it's not accepted. So if I now go to my phone, you can see that Face ID was required to actually open up the app itself, so that's using the biometric authentication in my phone. And then I'm going to click release, hold the cards to the phone, and it's released the card, and that's using the built-in NFC technology of the phone itself. So if I now tap, you can hear there that the lock's bolt was just retracted. But let's repeat that, and I'll show you that again this is no longer valid, because each time you use it you have to release it using the app. So if I try and use it now, 3 red flashes, it's not accepted. So I'll release that again. There we go, that's released. And this time I'll do it so you can see the lock's bolt opening. So we tap and then hold the card, and that's the lock's bolt releasing. EloStar Flex ID is powered by a 9-volt battery, which is housed in a battery box located inside the safe. In the event that there's a complete power loss, it's possible to use a special connector cable which can be inserted at the base of the keypad to provide emergency power. There's no need for a network connection. Cards are encrypted to the lock using the lock zone technology, and where the app is used, it is effectively putting a block onto a card so that it can only be used when released by the app. The set is available with 2 different lock types, automatic or manual closure, and should be selected depending on the construction of the safe. Thanks for watching, and please contact us if you need any more information.